Hey everybody, it's Nick Lydorf here. I just wanted to share with you an article that I ran across about estate planning and how important it is to really talk about this topic with your parents. What's interesting is that nearly half of working age Americans, according to Yahoo Finance, assume that they're going to receive an inheritance later in life from their parents. But the question is like, well, what does that mean? So how did I mean? I didn't know until I asked my mom, like, what do you have in terms of a plan? Do you have a will? Do you have a trust? And she shared that with me. And, my mom and I had kind of like a relationship where we can talk kind of frankly about that stuff. I know it's kind of a difficult topic maybe to bring up with your parents, like, hey, I know that you're going to die at some point. So let's go over what's going to happen when you die. And I know that that's kind of a difficult, thing to maybe bring up because this kind of points us out. You don't want to appear greedy when talking about your parents and what you may be receiving from them, but you just want to know exactly what's going to happen, because here's the thing, they may not even have a plan, and if they don't, then you want to make sure that they have a conversation with someone that knows what they're doing, with estate planning and planning in general, because you don't want to be left with that mess. Because I can tell you from personal experience, with my wife's family, that we were kind of left in that position where we had to clean up a mess that my mother-in-law is not that kind of person. She just didn't think about it, and she tragically passed and didn't have an estate plan in place, and we had to kind of go through probate, and it was a huge mess. So I can tell you that you don't want to go through that. So this kind of gives you just some ways to maybe start a conversation. Maybe starting off by like, what your biggest fear was is, I don't want to appear greedy. Like, I don't want to know numbers. I just want to be able to follow your instructions or know like what's going to happen. Um, so, and then it kind of gives you some other resources. I've not read any of these. I do know Harry Margolis. He is an estate planning attorney in Florida. I think he's like an expert. So that might be a good book to kind of to look if you do have further questions, or if you just have questions, you definitely reach out to me, and I'd be happy to talk with you. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. All right, take care. Bye.